Alright, let's make a creamy Cajun pasta with shrimp and sausage. Start by salting your water and getting that to a boil. Season your shrimp with a tablespoon of paprika, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix that in well. Now dice up 4 plum tomatoes. Get you a jar of roasted red peppers and take a few out and cut them into small pieces. Here I'm using smoked sausage. You can use anduoille, but I'm cutting them into small pieces. Now place your fettucine noodles into the salted water. In a hot pan, pour a little olive oil and brown your shrimp on both sides for about 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the shrimp from the pan and brown your smoked sausage or anduoille sausage for a few minutes and then remove. Now melt 1 stick of butter or half a cup of butter. Here I'm adding 9 cloves of garlic. Place your diced tomatoes and your roasted red peppers into the pan. Now season with 1 tablespoon of your favorite Cajun seasoning and 1 tablespoon of thyme. Saute for a few minutes. Now add 1 cup of chicken broth and 1 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Mix that in well. Add 3 bay leaves. Cover and simmer on low for about 10 minutes. Remove the lid and remove the bay leaves. Now add 1 cup of parmesan cheese. Now add your sausage and shrimp. Add your fettuccine noodles. Add a little parsley on top, and you're ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.